What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day trading video. And you can see I have two on my charts now. I have two charts on my, I have S&P and NQ. This is gonna help me find SMTs way more better, because I always want to be on the lookout for SMTs. I always want to be on the lookout for those SMTs. I need to be on the lookout for those SMTs. You know what I mean, guys? And I can change it to 5 minute. So yeah, I'm gonna change this to 5 minute. It would be cool to have like three, so I can have SMT 5 minute and actually SMT and 5 minute. Yeah. But anyway, let's get back. Let's go on to the analysis. So if we go into the daily, we do have this red candle right here. So we could be going more down. I actually do think my bias is bearish for the day. So I actually do think we could go down. But we had this large wick. So who really knows? Like, look at this. Like, we could continue to go up to the outside. So, but I think I'm gonna stick to the bias of going down, and I'm gonna explain why. So if we go into the 4 hour real quick, we have no 4 hour fair value gaps. We had this one, but that got inverse. We had this little one, like, it's kind of a fair value gap, but it's little, but still got inversed again too. So who really knows what's gonna happen? We do have this 4 hour fair value gap all the way down here that could get tapped into. So maybe we're targeting that. Who knows? It's really hard to say on 4 hour. Look, this is kind of like chop, but still, this 4 hour fair value gap right here got inverted. All right, so we might want to be targeting this one. Who knows? If we go into the 4 hour, it looks like we are going up. We had this big spike up just to come back down, and we broke structure right here, going to the upside. But you know I still think we're gonna go bearish, since we have a lot of liquidity up here, so we can tap into it just to go down, and I do think that's gonna happen. So the 1 hour is very hard to use, very hard to say, but I think I just use the 1 hour as structure. Where what are we doing, uptrend or downtrend? And it looks like kind of an uptrend right as of right now. If we look for just like in this area, it's kind of like chop, just bouncing around between two areas. But let's go into the 15 minute. Stop wasting time. If we go into the 15 minute real quick, we do have this 15 minute fair value gap that I doubt is gonna get tapped into. We have these right here, 1, 2 as well, but who knows? Actually, I have this one, so I'm gonna just delete this one. Actually, it's like no point of having that on the screen. We did have this 15 minute fair value gap right here, but it just got completely inverted. I don't know what happened. Like, just went down just for us to go all the way back up. Let's go back to the 15 minute. So I don't know. Looks like we are making equal highs. I don't know if we're gonna take those out, but you can see my bias is already. We hit age of highs. So I think I was here at 8:30. I thought we was gonna come down and go up. I didn't think we were gonna come all the way down like this. Honestly, I didn't. All right. So but still, I still think we're gonna go up, and it looks like I'm still right. I think we're gonna go up, tap one of these liquidity points right here, and then just head straight back down to either here, or even to age of lows. Who knows? We didn't hit age of highs on ES, but we did on ES on NQ. Sorry, yeah. So kind of a bullish, bearish SMT right there. So that's why I do think we're gonna go down. Um, but if we do go up, catch these. Look at all these low resistance liquidity on ES. So I think we're gonna hit it and then head right back down. Plus, that's guaranteed is an SMT right there. We probably could see NQ tap this high and ES not, so making an SMT right there. I'll note that real quick. And market is open. So yeah, that's my bias right there. You see going up just for us to come back down. If we go into the 5 minute real quick, yeah, look at this high. I think we're gonna, oh, we already hit this first high. Oh, whoa, we're already going down off the bat. Okay. If we do go down, I want us to see us hit this point, or either this point for us to take the longs. Whoa. How much of a point drop is that? Okay, 50 points. That looked way bigger than I thought it would be. But yeah, it looks like we are gonna go down. We still have the chance to go up. On ES, we're getting a green candle apparently. Okay. Let's wait for the minute to form. It looks like, whoa, big red candle. Was that 60 points from top wick to bottom? 70. Oh, I was gonna say 70. Wow. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Wow. Oh, ES is just having a massive green day. Okay. Oh wait, ES is on 15 minutes. Go to 1 minute. But still, yeah. Okay. ES is just having a good, nice day. Like, what the heck? Took out. Wow. I don't even know what this. Wow. Okay. I think we're gonna go down. I want to be able to look for shorts. So once we hit these highs, then I want to be looking for shorts. But if it goes down, then yeah. Oh, let's turn our indicator. So I have this indicator. So it goes from 9:30 to 11. Show me the volume. So I don't have to keep tapping this indicator right here. Although it is showing me something different, so that's a bit concerning. But let's see how it does. We have, oh yeah, the sessions. Let's turn on volume and let's turn on. We actually have a fair value gap. Just in case I miss any fair value gaps, boom, I have that on standby. But we have our thing right, our MACD. So, oh my gosh, we have our MACD. So, have that ready. But yeah, that's I'm just gonna have to wait. I hate that it's showing me something different where the point of control is. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I have fair value gaps right here as well. But this is mainly for the 5 minutes, so we're gonna switch this on to the 5 minute actually. So there we go. This is something new I'm trying out. I want to be able to look at multiple. I don't have to keep switching to 1 minute, 5 minutes. So I have the 5 minute right here. So this is good. All right. I'll get back to you guys when I take the trade. It looks like it might be longs since we have this fair value gap right here. And we're going down. But if we go on ES, we're going up. This is so weird. Yes. Okay, sorry guys. We'll get back when we take the trade. Alright, chat, so this thing wants to rip up. By the way, I can finally record on Facecam, but this thing just wants to rip up. Look how much we're ripping up to. Like, I wanted us to hit this 5 minute, yes, so we can get a retracement, then invert it, but we just completely inverted right there, and we're still continuing to finally we have the first red candle. Oh my gosh. And it's like a shooting star red candle, I'm pretty sure. So indicating we're gonna go more up. But I want us to get a retracement so I can take the longs. Because, like, after these few candles... Okay, ooh. Okay, I'm looking for the longs, definitely. Like, this candle, please turn to red. Please turn to red. Please, none. None. Alright, pure rage bait. Pure V. I hate when it's a pure V. Like, come on. Give me a little retracement. We had a break structure right here, but, like, no retracement. It could be one of those times where we have a big equilibrium, tap into equilibrium, and then boom. If it hits this high right here, then I would want to look for shorts. Because that is the ultimate high. But unlikely. Actually, no, that's the all-time high. But I'm not going to short right there. That's stupid. So, yeah, honestly, shorts right here is way better. If this was all-time highs, I would not be looking for shorts. Because, usually when we blow up past a previous all-time high, we continue to go up. But, yeah, this is just ripping up. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to take the long. So... honestly, yeah, look at that. I knew it. Look, see, shooting star, we're going to rip right back up. So, honestly, I think it might be time to look for shorts. And if you go on ES, we haven't reached that high, actually, yet. So, we just reached the high from the opening on NQ, but we didn't on ES. We're about to, actually. We are about to. I want to keep my eye on that. Look, we are equal high. We kind of tapped it equally. Are we gonna rip? Yeah, there we go. We did it. We tapped into it. I think it's gonna break even more. There's no way it's gonna leave an equal high. So yeah, but that's the game plan. It looks like I'm gonna be wanting to take the shorts. So yeah, let's see what happens. I really want it to touch this high for us to be able to take the shorts. But I guess we're gonna be taking shorts, guys. So I'll be back to you when I take the trade. Just wanted to update you on this little crazy maneuver that's happening. Whoa, whoa, equal highs. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I do not want to be shorting at equal highs. We have triple equal lows right here, actually, on ES. Huh. We'll see. Well, if it breaks structure. If it breaks structure. If it breaks structure with a retracement, breaking point of control to the downside, I want to be looking for shorts. But if there's no point of control, then I really don't think I want to be able to take the trade. But if it does a thing where it just comes all the way down to equilibrium, then I want to be looking for longs because it can climb right back up. But you know, this is very confusing because it didn't hit this high. I hate that I didn't hit this high, and then we have equal highs right here too. Very annoying. Very annoying. I wouldn't mind if this makes a giant green candle just a tad this high. Wouldn't mind that at all. Kind of an SMT. It didn't hit this high, but it hit this. Okay. We'll be back when they take the trades. Looks like maybe a short could be in play. I'm not missing any for value gaps. I see one right here and one right here, but this is too low. If it breaks structure and inverses this gap, then hey, that's okie dokie fine with me. You know, I'm not gonna be missing it for value gap this time, like I did last time. Gosh, that was such a soul. Anyways, yeah, it looks like it breaks structure. Maybe if it comes all the way down to equilibrium, then maybe yeah. Then I think I would be wanting to look for longs again. But let's see what's gonna happen. This could be a dangerous play. So I'll let you guys know when I take the trade, I guess, and let's see what trade I take. Okay. O2. So it's hot. Let's start ripping down. Come on. There we go. I think
order filled.
That was mad late. Number one. The heck? Alright, I'm entering the shorts, but I swear I did. Okay. It's close to the okay, whatever. What is that candle? What candle is that? Okay, well, let's not get distracted. So on that level. This candle's weird. Why? What? This is at 10 a.m. Okay, that was at 10 a.m. I guess. Should we put it right there? See if it touches that level. I don't like that actually, to be honest. Okay, I did not peep that on the minis and the micros. But whatever, you know, it's fine. Whatever. It's whatever. And enter it over here. Let's do a scale out. What the heck? Okay, hold on. Whoa. Oh, it's right here. I'm stupid. Well, I'm stupid. Okay, it's over right here. This low. The low of that candle is at 57. Perfect. There we go. 28.50. I'm gonna explain the trade real quick, guys. 28.50. Limit. Yeah, limit. Buys confirmed. Oh, and we broke point of control to the downside too. Yep. Perfect. 41.50. I'm so confident. I'm gonna put just 3 buy stop. That's it. Because I know it's gonna hit break even. I believe in this trade. So let's quickly break down the trade. Oh, whoa, we hit. Oh, SMT. There we go. SMT 2. Perfect. SMT. Oh my gosh. This is such a green trade. SMT right here. All right. Let's explain the trade real quick, guys. About to hit break even too. Break even. All right. Perfect. So let's explain the trade. All right. Oh, and we inverse this gap, this 1 minute gap right here. That's perfect. Let's go into the 5 minutes. See what we got in 5 minute. Yeah, we're just heading straight down 5 minute. There's a 5 minute gap right here that we could tap into, but if we tap into the 5 minute, my break even is already gonna get hit. So if we tap into it, go back up, because at 5 minute, my break even is already hit.
Order filled.
Boom, perfect. Let me explain the trade. I want us to just rip down from here. 250. Don't do that where you just hit my break even and then go right back up. Let me explain it. All right, real quick, guys. Let me explain the trade. So we was just going up and up and up. I was looking for the shorts right here, but we just rep up and up. So I was looking. Okay, let's look for a new breaker structure. So I saw this, but then I saw these fair value gaps right here. So I was like, okay, you know what? If these fair value gaps get inverted, I want to be looking for equilibrium. And it did, and it bounced perfectly off point of control. I know it didn't break structure here, but you know, fair value gaps work just as fine. Look, see, I would have to wait for a crazy retracement. So, you know, that's hunky dory fine with me. So look, retracement, tap equilibrium, broke point of control to the downside too. I was worried about this fair value gap, but nothing to worry about because it inverted it right there. Let's see. Yeah, we have an SMT high, higher high, but then an ES high, lower high. This is perfect. This is perfect. I wish I can like triple thing. I know this is gonna hit full TP. I believe. I have the power. No. What was it? Oh yeah, I'm looking at thingy. I got in at 22 at 92.50. Ooh, this is going down. Let's check. Ooh, I can have my thing on here, right here too. Ooh, this is perfect. This is perfect. $22 at 92.50. Yeah, 92.50. There we go. Perfect. Oh, just let that way. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, yes. Joss King. Let's put this on. Oh no, this is perfect. Joss King. Let's put that on ES. Change this to micros. Oh yes. Watch it hit full TP. Do I have full break even on? I think I don't. No, I don't really care. It doesn't matter. Oh yes. Start ripping down from here. Okay, if we go right here, if we go into the 5 minute, we did tap that 5 minute gap. Oh, just barely. Let's note it actually. 5 minute for value gap. This is so good. I don't think I would be able to spot that 5 minute for value gap if I didn't have this too. So I have this too. Ooh, this is going down. Yes, come on. Yes, I know you want to tap this low right here. Come on. Let's tap it, baby. Let's tap it. We have this 5 minute gap. If this can touch the midpoint of the 5 minute gap, I would have hit full TP. Yes, I believe in this trade though. I fully believe in this trade. I think this is gonna hit full TP. Like even if this goes up, even to right here, you know, yeah. Oh, the fair value gap right here and here, but no way. All right, I do believe we're gonna rip down. Yes, this is amazing. Okay, hold on. Let it rip down. Come on. Okay, little bit of a green candle. Fine. That's fine. You know what? Oh, I wish I entered off of this, like, instead of 5 minis, micros, I wish it was 5 minis. Why is point of control right there? That's pissing me off. Nah, son. Don't you dare hit break even. Don't do me with a hit 5 minute. But don't you dare hit me with a break even. Just go down a little bit. Just a little bit. We have volume right here. Not as much as, okay, yeah, definitely not as much as in these two areas. But still. Come on. Like, I know we want to hit full TP. Don't do me like that. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I am saying? Yes, I do believe I know what you are saying. Don't You naughty. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, we just gotta be patient, chat. We just gotta be patient. Am I recording? I am recording. Okay, good. Actually, I can stay right here and still record. Come on. Absolute cinema. Come on. Nah, I believe. I feel like it's too quiet sometimes. Or should I just yap? There's another guy. It starts with a D. D something trades. He just yaps and stays quiet in a trade. I hope this. Oh, whoa! No, this is frozen, so I can't even see it move. I'm just now noticing. Okay, let's stay on the charts then. I was on OBS, not sponsored. Okay, now yeah. Start ripping. Start going down. Yeah. That's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like. Oh, I wanna go heavy, but I gotta stick to the. This is an A+ setup right here. This is an A+ setup. Woo-wee. See, I knew I wanted this high right here to get hit. I didn't want ES to hit Asia high so we can have that SMT, but it still gave us an SMT right there. Beautiful. Whoa. Don't you dare. Rock it down right now. I'm not playing. NASDAQ, I'm not playing. NASDAQ. How you gonna make that big flush down just to come? Yo, who's buying? There's no reason for you to buy right now. There's no reason. Stop. Let's see what happened. Oh yeah, it's at equilibrium, so if I wanted to short. No!
Stop filled.
What? Why is this happening? Are you kidding me? I would have hit full TP if it was just a 50 point. Are you... What? What? Watch this shit flush down right now. Watch it flush all the way down. I'm calling it right here. Oh, I left my buy stop on Friday, by the way. Crazy. Are you kidding me? Why? You can't make this up. You better hit full stop loss, cause no way you do that to me. There's no way. There's no freaking way. How many points did I give away? I think it was about 10. Low-key, my stem was it was lagging low-key. Are you kidding me? Okay, that's definitely lagging. Is it? What the heck? Am I tripping? Is that like a massive green? Is someone hacking the market? Is this real? This is 500 points on ES. Is this real? I need to take off all the relative equal lows. Yes. Okay, you know what? Let's just... If this goes up a little bit, you have a possible SMT. Come on, bro. I'm so done with these break-evens. Like, I'm slowly getting my account back up, but these break-evens are not helping. Bro, what is going on? You know what? It's fine. What the heck is that? Okay, you know what? It's fine, chat. We had a break even. I gotta be grateful for these break evens. I am grateful. Oh, that strap annoys me, bro. What? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? How does that even make sense? It's a green day. That still annoys me, bro. Oh my gosh. How was that not hitting full TP? By 10 points. 10 points. That is such and I swear I give away some points too, cause I swear I entered off right here, but it wanted to spike down and wanted to lag apparently. Yo, I swear if you go right back down, I won't hesitate to take that short again. Nah, I'm gonna log myself out. But you know what? I'm done being mad. That's it for today's trading, guys. I'll see you guys. I was right. Like whatever. You know what? You know it's fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, no. What is going on in the ES? What is going on? All right, I'm gonna go box. Like, what is this? Whatever. Peace out, guys.